this is not my new car, but rather the one that it replaces. This was my Fiat 500S TwinAir 105, quite a rare specification as it only had a short production run. I love the close ratio 6-speed gearbox and all-round disc brakes that it boasted over the standard car. It was such good fun and so affordable to own as well, and I couldn't even be tempted out at one for an Abarth. Sadly though, early last year I started having a few issues with the car, most notably a rough idle. Now these 2-cylinder engines do idle a bit rough compared to a 4-cylinder, but I've had the car for quite a few years and I was aware something just wasn't right. I tried a local garage, it took me about 3 weeks to get in, they checked a few things and it was evident the car would have to go back, but it was going to be several hours work to remove the gearbox because we suspected it was the dual mass flywheel. But again, they couldn't get me in for another several weeks. I even tried a local Fiat dealer to no avail. What was I to do next? Well, eventually I had to admit defeat and ended up trading the vehicle in rather reluctantly. Normally you get excited about a new car, but this was a bit like taking the family pet to be put down. The dealer promptly replaced the dual mass flywheel, and within 5 days the vehicle had a new V5 against it, and the car is still with that owner to this day. But anything I would have from here on out would be very, very different.